Hey guys, it's Cindy from MyStyleSpot, and I don't have to be the first to tell you that snoring sucks. Whether you're the person snoring and you keep waking yourself up at night, or even worse, you wake up to your partner complaining the next morning, or else you're the partner sleeping with the snore. It's awful. I've been in situations where I've had to actually move rooms because I couldn't sleep with my partner who snored so loudly, and even in a different room across the hall, I could still hear it. It's no joke. Snoring is awful, and no one should be subjected to it, in my opinion. Which is awesome because I have a really great product to share with you today that stops the snoring immediately, whether it's you or your partner, and you guys are gonna love it. It is the VitalSleep, and it is a mouth guard, and it comes in a nice carrying case. And it's a mouth guard like this that you will wear, whoever snores, you or your partner, will wear while you sleep, and it molds to your mouth to fit perfectly, so it's going to be comfortable, and what it's going to do is just open up the airway so you're not snoring. It is fast and effective. It stops snoring for good. It treats and quiets snoring on the very first use. So it's not like it's going to take time, it's just going to happen immediately as soon as you start using it. It is affordable, it is safe and effective, FDA cleared, and it is BPA and latex free. It's also non-toxic as well. And they use medical grade components, so you know that you're getting super high quality product. And it also comes with a first-year warranty, free replacement guarantee, and you can try it out for 60 days first to make sure it works if you're not sure. So amazing. It's custom fit, like I said, because you're gonna just throw this in a pot of boiling water, cool it, put it in your mouth, and you're gonna mold it to your mouth, so it's gonna fit perfectly and be super comfortable. It's precise and it's adjustable. You can also adjust it. And they use the AccuAdjust system for max comfort and effectiveness, which you're not going to find anywhere else. And it comes in two different sizes, regular or small. Regular typical for men, small for women. If it doesn't fit when you get it, they do free exchanges, so that's awesome. And the best part is you can still sleep comfortably. You don't have to sleep on any position, any specific position. You can sleep on your side if you're a side sleeper, your back if you're a back sleeper, and you're still gonna be able to sleep, and it's gonna be comfortable, and you're not gonna be snoring. So amazing. It's low maintenance care as well, easy to clean just with water and toothpaste, or you can even use denture cleaner. It comes with a nice protective case, so you can keep this in when you're not using it. And it's awesome, you guys. It's made in the USA, and awesome. So I've been trying it out for the couple of weeks. I've had my boyfriend try it because he tends to snore a little bit, and it drives me nuts. And it's been really great. Like the first use, I noticed no snoring. I was sleeping better. He was sleeping better. He was waking up more, well rested. He felt like his days were going better. He was more productive. He wasn't as tired. So it's improving his health as well as our relationship, because I can stay in bed next to him and sleep through the night, and it's not an issue. I sleep comfortably, happily. So does he. He doesn't wake himself up by the snores either. So absolutely amazing. I highly recommend trying it out if you have it. If you snore, if your partner snores and you're sick of it, just give this little handy guy a try. I think you're going to be very impressed and love the results like I have. So you can check them out at VitalSleep.com, and if you use my special deal spotter code, MyStyleSpot, you will also get 10% off of your order. So check them out, and if you like this video, thanks so much for watching, and please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.